Office 365 is where Office meets the cloud. You get the full Office that you know right there on your PC. And the power of the cloud means that information is up to date and you can work where you are on virtually any device. It's cloud-based email, file sharing, and online meetings, all working seamlessly with the Office you know. Create and edit your documents from the device of your choice. For example, access the sales report you started at work on your PC and update it with the latest numbers from the road. Everything is connected, so as you edit the sales report, you can see the presence of the person who last updated the file and start an instant message right within your work. And you can quickly share the file in email or online. With Office 365, you have everything you are used to on your desktop. There is no compromising because you are working remotely. All the features and latest updates are automatically there. Your workplace isn't the same anymore, and Office isn't either. With Office 365, you have your complete Office in the cloud to help make you more productive wherever you choose to work. Try Office 365 today and see what all the excitement is about.